Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 40 NxtPaper, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down like I just did, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. On one of the pages you will find a power saving, battery saver, whatever they're calling it. Whoops, I think I just captured a screenshot by mistake. So let's see, we have no power saving mode here. There we go. So it is right over here. Now, counterintuitively, the light gray blacks right here are actually off and the darker ones are on, as opposed to what you'd normally see, which is the other way around. So anyway, once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It gives you this pop-up letting you know that battery saver is now on, and that's all the info that you get. So if you experience some kind of weird changes to your device, for instance your notifications are delayed in delivery or just not appearing at all, then this is most likely power saving mode, trying to save power. In any case, once you're done with it, you can find the toggle once again and then tap on it once more to turn it off. There we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.